if I told you your headlights could look cool and outperform just about anything on the road? Too often we purchase headlights online based on aesthetics. What we offer here at HID Projectors is performance-based headlights that also look cool. This is the 7-inch round black series with a white halo. It's going on a Hummer H2. It's going to be plug and play with a simple hookup for the halo, which just takes a switch control volt source. It's going to come with the 9007 headlight socket, so the high beam and low beam is going to be a direct plug-in. The aesthetics here are fantastic. When they're turned off, they look blacked out. When they're turned on, this is what you got, a simple white halo. The visibility is phenomenal. The safety is paramount. Everything works from a company that you can